Alright, welcome back. Now to log into your entire Meta platform, what you need to do is you have to go down to business.facebook.com. So there are two ways to log in. Actually, there are three ways to log in, but for most of the people, including us, there are two ways. So first of all, we can do a login with Facebook and automatically the details will be pulled. We can create the business ID from there. Or else what we can do is we can log in to Instagram. Okay, so if you are logging in through Instagram, we may not have a Facebook account. Still, through the Instagram, we can enter the Meta Business Suite. All right. If we have a Facebook, we get two options. Either we can enter through Meta Business Suite or Business Manager. So Business Manager is the older version of how we used to manage businesses. This is a new one, but we can interchangeably use both of those. Soon enough, we'll only be able to use the Meta Business Suite. All right, so these are the two options. You can log in through any of that. If you are creating an account, still you would need to log into your Facebook profile, and then we can create an account for ourselves. Now this is the client's ID that I'm logging through. The client has tried several options and measure to basically run the ads, but it has not worked out for them. Let's give it a complete try. Using this account, we'll be able to understand how the entire portal works, what are the dashboard boards that we are being shown, and how we can operate all of those, including billing, running our first ads, tracking, and all of those sorts of things. All right. So for this, what we are going to do is we are going to basically create an e-commerce site probably. So let's see if we have a ready-made site that we can use. All right. So this is the site that we have been using for a um, few courses in the past. What we can do is we can just take the brand name of this particular theme and we can start right away. And we'll also be able to map the entire WordPress a few places. We can also add the pixels and the tracking mechanism on this website itself. So it would be better if we go ahead with this particular brand name itself, so we do not have to change anything on the current website that we are working on. Okay, so let's go ahead. So as you can see over here, it says your business and account name, so we need to enter all of these details. Now this Okay, so this client already has a particular business associated with them. So it may not be possible to go ahead with the entire thing, but you would get a complete picture of how we can create an ID. So let's go ahead. So I'll just pause the video, enter the client's email ID, and then probably submit next. All right. So once we clicked on the entire thing, we also needed on the submit button, we also needed to verify our email, and post that we were able to enter the dashboard. So this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see, it says no Facebook pages or Instagram accounts have been added. So we are going to use a page where everything has been added, so it will be easier and faster for us to proceed with the entire course. However, I just wanted you to see all of the settings because this is the latest platform changes that Facebook has done. So as you can see, we can also switch the business account, which we are not going to do right away. However, you can check over here that it says that you can manage access to existing page or Instagram page, or you can create a new one in the business settings. So we are going to go to settings and see all of the options that we have. So business account info, as of now, we have not added any kind of assets, which we are probably going to do very soon. Okay, we do not have any ad account as well. So there are no ad account or invitees who have been added to it. This is a business account which was directly created, even though we had one particular business account associated with the entire brand. Okay, so we will go down to the ad account settings and billing payment settings. Let's go and check a few more things. So after, if you are planning to add all of those, this is the add account settings. What we can do is, if in case we have an existing custom audience and everything, we can create those here as well. Now let's go down to pages section. Now we do not have any kind of page. We can create or manage pages. We'll be doing that very soon. So we'll also need to add a few business settings, business info for us to proceed. However, as you can see, the client had tried the Facebook ads and it was profitable as per my discussion. And this was almost 6 years ago that they ran. So we are going to run the ads again from restarting the ads again on this portal. Okay, so let's go back to our campaigns. Now there are a few campaigns. We are also going to create and try a few things. All right. So in the next video, what we are going to do is in the current video, what we tried logging into the entire portal. We were able to successfully create a business profile within the Facebook. This is a completely new business, Razi, that we are working on. We are also going to understand how we can navigate through the entire dashboard in the next video, and probably post that we can check out a few options on how we can create the kind of ad setup that we want. All right, so thank you for so much for this video. I'll see you in the next one.